Good morning to one and all. My name is C. Basim from class 8. Today I am saying about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Ambedkar Jayanti is celebrated on 14th April of every year. The day is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891, but the day is being celebrated since 1957. The government had declared it a national holiday since 2025. The day is especially celebrated by the Buddhists. On the day, people wished Chaitanya Bhumi in Mumbai and Diksha Bhumi in Nagapur to commemorate their leader in Maharashtra. 14th April is celebrated as Knowledge Day to pay tribute to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. India Post has issued several stamps feature Dr. Ambedkar on them as tribute to him. Ambedkar Jayanti is called by the name Bhimrao Jayanti in many parts of the nation. The United Nations has also been celebrating the Ambedkar Jayanti since celebrating 2016. Thank you, Nandal.